Hey folks, so this is the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker, which primarily we purchased to use as a slow cooker. But as it says right here on the box, it is more than a slow cooker. There's so much you can do with this. It serves as a non-stick pot. It is a saute pan, a stock pot, cast iron skillet, casserole dish, a steamer, roasting pan, a saucepan. You can even make bread in this thing. It can be used as a hob or just as a food warmer. So technically, this could potentially replace quite a bit of your cooking gear in the kitchen. So let's go ahead now, get into the box and see what we are working with. One thing I really like is the inclusion of a mini recipe book. Straight away, I turn to this steak and ale pie. Absolutely love steak and ale pie, so I'm going to have to try this one out for sure. And aside from the recipes, this also has some getting started instructions. The great thing is that this, I was going to say slow cooker, but possible cooker is in fact oven safe as well. So it is safe up to temperatures in an oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which works out at about 260 degrees Celsius. So here we have the lid. And it does feel to be a very good quality, sturdy bit of kit. So I'll pop that down there for now. One nice little inclusion here as well is this multi-tool utensil. And this will fit nicely on top of the lid. Perhaps I can show you that right now. So no need to worry about storing that. And you've always got it handy as well. It's not magnetic or anything. It just slots into the space there. Nice big chunky bit of cardboard to get rid of. Okay, here we have the main pan. So let's try and get rid of some of the rubbish here. And the bottom of the pan, I'm not sure if you can see, has this nice stainless steel finish to it. A griddle. So that fits nicely into there as well. Starting to run out of space, actually. And then finally, we have the main event. Let's get rid of you now, shall we? Nothing else in there, nope. Oh, yes. I'm looking forward to really putting this thing through its paces, I tell you that. I've heard great things about this Ninja PossibleCooker. And so here we go, we have the LED display along with the turning knob here so that you can adjust your settings to the type of cooking that you want to do. And you can set the timer here. I think the minimum timer is 3 hours, but you can rack that right up as well. So yeah, like I say, going to be putting this through its paces. I'll be doing a full review video. One thing I like is that there's a little notch in here. I know you can't see that on the camera, but what that means is that everything will automatically turn off as you lift this out of the main cooker unit. So let's just pop that back in there. And then we have our lid with our multi-function utensil. There we go. And don't forget you have the little recipe book. So I'm going to be browsing through that and getting some inspiration. So there we have it, the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker. For us, primarily a slow cooker, but we're going to be testing out all its uses. Hope the video helped. I'll see you next time.